How to log in Best Buy account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Best Buy account. For this, launch open any web browser and search for Best Buy. Now tap on this website, which is bestbuy.com. Once you land on this website, you want to scroll down and then find the option of sign in. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on the sign in option. Now it will take you to this page. You can either sign in using a passkey, sign in with your Apple account, or sign in with your Google account. Or you can also enter your email address over here, then enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option in order to reset that. Then tap on the Sign In option. Now, if all of your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Best Buy account. If you are new to this and you want to create an account, go ahead and tap on the Create an Account option. Then enter all of these details and you will be able to create a new account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.